Priced at Rs 15,995, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 is the successor to the Boom 2, which was released in 2015 and has since been a popular option in the Bluetooth wireless speaker category. There are some design and feature improvements here, but the positioning remains largely the same. This is a high-end Bluetooth speaker which can take more than a few splashes of water. Here's our review. There are a few significant changes in the way the speaker looks, but the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 largely retains the design and form of its predecessor. The cylindrical shape and fabric-wrapped exterior reminded us of the Boom 2, as did the large rubber plus and minus symbols that also make up the volume controls. Only the middle of both buttons are actually clickable though. However, the speaker is a bit taller when placed upright and is also a fair bit heavier. As was the case with the Boom 2, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 is rated to be waterproof, which is to say it has an IP67 rating. This means that you can immerse the speaker in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes without fearing any damage, assuming you've properly sealed off the micro USB port with its watertight flap at the bottom of the speaker. Interestingly, the speaker is also shock resistant, rated to survive drops from up to 5 feet. The fabric wrap protects the drivers from water and also looks great in our opinion, especially when it changes color a bit under different levels of light. Additionally, the rubberized finish at the top and bottom of the speaker looks modern and sophisticated, while giving it a decent grip and hand feel. While some people may find the lack of buttons and functions disappointing, we were impressed by the simplicity of the speaker in some ways. The top of the speaker has 3 illuminated buttons for power, Bluetooth pairing, and a multifunction button for playback and track skipping. A single tap of the button serves to play or pause, while a double tap skips to the next track. But this is where the goodness of the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 simplicity ends. Apart from the dated micro USB port, there are a couple of other key missing features as well. There is no 3.5mm socket for wired audio connectivity, and no microphone for hands-free calling as well. These are surprising omissions on a Rs 15,995 speaker. Perhaps too much attention has been given to making the design watertight at the expense of other important features. The speaker has 2 primary drivers and 2 passive radiators, as well as a frequency response range of 90 to 20,000 Hz and a 90 decibel peak output. Disappointingly, there is no aptX codec support, so users will be limited to streaming over the SBC codec. The sales package of the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 includes a charging cable but no wall adapter, which again comes across as a needless omission given the price. The Ultimate Ears Boom 3 can of course be paired and used on Bluetooth, but there is also an app for Android and iOS that improves the usage experience with the speaker. You can use the app to power up the speaker and adjust the volume without touching it, along with adjusting equalizer settings, setting playlists on compatible apps, wireless daisy chaining, or setting alarms on the speaker. It also shows the battery level, accurate to 1% increments. The app didn't give us anything special, and we could easily control most of these functions either on the phone or the speaker itself, but the ability to switch on the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 directly from the phone is something we found impressive. The Ultimate Ears Boom 3 ran for about 13 hours on a full charge at varying volumes, which is pretty decent for a wireless speaker. It's also very impressive considering how loud the speaker can get. The shape and driver layout of the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 gives it a wider listening sweet spot than most similar devices, with a primary driver and radiator each on either side of the volume buttons. This also helps it get very loud, which is, in our opinion, the biggest quality of the speaker. What is particularly impressive about the loudness of the Boom 3 is that the sound remains relatively clean even at the highest volumes. Indeed, kept a couple of meters away, the sound from the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 was clean, crisp, and felt wider than what we'd expect from a single cylindrical speaker. While the high-end and mid-range are a bit toned down as compared to the lows, it isn't too bad with most tracks. However, we also noticed at slower tracks that are less busy are better handled, with the Boom 3 losing ability to handle the mid-range as tracks get faster and busier. We also noticed the sub-bass was a bit weak, while mid-bass sounded excellent during our testing. It's this excellent mid-bass that gives the speaker so much character on the low end, but there is a definite lack of punch in the sound. The Ultimate Ears Boom 3 has some significant shortcomings for a speaker that costs nearly Rs 16,000. With no microphone, no aux connectivity, no aptX codec support, and micro USB charging with no included charging adapter, it almost seems not worth the price. However, the speaker's attractive looks, strong water resistance rating and ability to float, and loud clean sound are major redeeming factors. On its most important parameter, sound quality, the Ultimate Ears Boom 3 comes through for the most part. Although the sound isn't ideal due to weak sub-bass, the Boom 3 is loud, crisp, exciting and wide feeling for the most part. You can also take it pretty much anywhere with very little risk of damage to it. The battery will last long as well, making this an ideal speaker for outdoor use. However, there are strong competitors in this price range, including the Bose SoundLink Revolve and Marshall Kilburn, which might be more appealing to users who are looking for a different feature set. That was our review of the Ultimate Ears Boom 3. For more reviews and videos, check out gadgets360.com.